Hi everyone, it's Lucy from My Crazy Craft Life, and today I'm here with a design team post for Fairy Stamper. Today I'm going to be making this card, and I will be using Fairy Hug Stamps, Stardust, Halloween Hello, Mini Weeping Tree, Lucinda, and then I'm going to be using Bumbletwinkle 6x6 paper pad. Now I cut this paper down to 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. This is going to be an A2 size card, so the panel is going to go on a card that is 4 1/4 by, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. And this is a super quick Halloween card. And I had somebody ask me the other day what I believe is a quick card. For me, a quick card is from start to finish. I mean, getting my stuff out and cleaning it up at a maximum of 15 minutes. So a quick card for me is a quick card. I walk into my craft room, pull my stuff out, make the card, clean everything up, and like I said, start to finish, at most it's about 15 minutes. So this is a very quick card. It's just stamping. I'm stamping all in VersaFine Onyx black ink. I am stamping the images, creating kind of a scene. These paper pads are amazing because they give you the background, and they give you amazing backgrounds. So it's super simple to be able to create quick cards. I am, like I said, just going to use my stamping tool while I'm stamping them, just to make sure, because a lot of these stamps, it's the first time I'm using them, so they need to get seasoned a little bit before they stamp a little better. But once you stamp them a couple times, then 1, maybe 2 times at the most for really solid stamps you might need. But again, nice, quick, simple cards with these gorgeous backgrounds. I wanted the background or the panel to be almost the size of the card. I am using a gray card base. And I love the little bats that come with this sentiment set, because it gives you kind of an added something to be able to put into your card and to use. So you will be able to find a lot of inspiration on our Facebook pages, as well as making sure that you subscribe to Fairy Stamper and click the little bell so you get notifications when something new pops up, because there is tons of great inspiration and ideas to make with all of these Fairy Stamper Hug stamps. So it's just awesome to be able to go on there and get so much inspiration. And again, I'm going to just finish this card off after I adhere the panel with some double-sided tape, and I'm just going to use some enamel dots and pop those on. I do decide to move that one after I kind of looked at it. And then I'm going to take my Spectrum Noir sparkle pen, and I'm just going to sparkle up Lucinda and the Stardust that is coming out from behind her. And that will pretty much finish up this card. So like I said, make sure you check out Fairy Stamper. You can get all of these stamps there. And then the YouTube channel, as well as our Facebook page, to be able to jump on there. Like I said, if you're needing a little bit of inspiration, they are fantastic. Thanks again for joining me. I hope everybody takes care. See all that sparkle that comes on there? And I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Take care.